This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a 1920x 1080 project at 30 FPS so motion looks smooth. Once done, import Dandys World images, sprite sheets, and MP4 clips into your media panel and name them clearly. Make sure to group related assets into folders, background, characters, VFX, audio, so you can find items fast. Then drag your background to the timeline and lock it. This prevents accidental edits. You're ready for character placement and keyframing in the next step. You now position characters and set anchor points at joints for believable rotation. Next, add keyframes for position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Use easing to avoid robotic motion and adjust the motion curve for anticipation and follow-through. Then stack Dandy's particle and glow presets on separate layers and tweak blend modes to integrate effects. Use masked adjustment layers for localized color grading. Once your middle sequence flows, preview at 50% and fix timing before final polish. You finish by syncing sound to actions, nudging clips by 0.5 to 1 second to match hits and dialogue. Then apply final color correction and a subtle global vignette to focus the scene. For export, choose H.264 at 1012 Mbps or a PNG sequence with alpha if you need transparency. If something breaks, clear Alight Motion's cache, relink any missing media, and ensure your codecs are up to date. If rendering stalls, lower export bitrate and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.